Let's make a volcano. Narrated by Marcio Catalano. Written by Pam Holden. Photographs by Claire Watkins. Look at this volcano. A volcano is a mountain that blows up. Hot rock, called lava, comes out of the top. It runs down the mountain. It's fun to make your own volcano with lava coming out. You can find all the things you need in the kitchen. Get a bottle made of plastic, a jug, and some vinegar. Find some washing up liquid and red food dye. You need baking soda too. Take everything outside. First, put 4 big spoons of baking soda into the bottle. Then, you can use wet sand to make a big mountain around the bottle. Now, mix half a cup of water and half a cup of vinegar in the jug. Next, put 3 drops of the washing up liquid into the jug. Then, add 2 drops of red food dye. Now pour the water and vinegar into the bottle in the sand. Keep back. Lava will run down the mountain. Look, you have made your own volcano. It is blowing up. Glossary. Baking soda. A white, salty powder. Kitchen. A room used to get food ready. Lava. Melted rock from a volcano. Liquid. Something that flows like water. Plastic. A man-made material. Pour. To tip a liquid. Vinegar. A sour liquid. Volcano. A mountain that sometimes blows up. Washing up liquid. Soap used to wash dishes.